G'day guys, I've got this Albany ceiling fan with me today. And it's not on the outlet this time, it's actually on a 5-speed controller. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video of this Albany on the controller. Hasn't been oiled yet because I forgot about that. If you're wondering what that noise is, it's because it's so hot outside today. And I figured that, you know, that Wattmaster that I dismantled in 2019, 2020, I'm not sure when it was. It was one of those years. I got the original control for it, but didn't realise the Albany's rated at the same watts as the same amps as the Wattmaster. So the control would be rated for the Wattmaster, but it can also do the Albany. So I figured, which I'm going to use that on here because it will work. If it's the same amps, it doesn't go by watts, but if it's the same amps, it's going to work. I've also got the exhaust fan on as well. It's wired in there, pretty simple wiring. It's quite easy to understand. As long as no wires break free, you're all good. So I'm going to give you a demonstration from 1 to 5. 1 is the highest, 5 the lowest. This is high speed. Move away from that fan so you can hear it. I don't know if you will be able to. It's too hot to turn it off. Sorry, but I'm gonna cool it down. I'll probably make another video. No wobble. I tried it on a data controller, it did not like it. It gave some weird motor noises, so I stopped using it on a 3-speed data controller. And I used it on this 5-speed one, doesn't mind it. Speed 2. Drops a little bit in each setting. Speed 3. This Albany is pretty good. It's made by GEC. This is speed 3. Let me know in the comments below if it's meant to go this slow on speed 3. But I'll just keep it like that anyway. The controller could be on its way out, I'm not sure. This is 4, and I'm going to do it to the lowest setting. I only hooked it up today. It's pretty fast for low. It gives a nice low, but yeah, it's pretty fast. Might keep it on this setting for a little while actually. Not today though, another day. I'll show you the spin down if you want. As you saw, there's very minimal wobble. And I'll show you the exhaust fans we've got. We've got an IXL vent here, a Data, which is running, and an Alec. Only one's running. Sit down, I reckon. Now we're gonna get that breeze in the microphone. It's a really good decorative fan. I just thought, why not use this Wattmaster controller if it's rated at the same amps as the Albany? So I'm like, that would work. So I wired it in and it works. So it took me one shot to wire it. like cell spinning again. So that's 2 ceiling fans I've got and published on my channel with 5 speed relays